rebuilding yourself. Rebuilding yourself is not quite easy. First of all, to rebuild, you have to destroy what was. Maybe back in the day, you were just this kid who played video games, sat at home, drank sodas, and just didn't do jack shit. So now you want to change. In your head, you know what you're doing is wrong and you want to be better. You want to be a man. You want to do the right thing. But in the end, you always somehow find yourself doing the same stuff. So firstly, destroy what you were. By destroying what you were, you can now become something completely new. Somehow, this is actually one of the hardest steps at first, to let go of what was and what you were, and now becoming something completely new. Mostly you can only do it by changing a lot about your life. Maybe it is in the morning before school, before work, to go to the gym if you want to become somebody who does sports. If you don't want to be a fat fuck anymore. These things in life decide in the end who you are. It takes a lot of courage to basically end up changing, but it will become easier day by day. It's not a thing that happens overnight, because what you have to change is more or less your complete life by changing your habits. Every habit you have left from before is something that could be seen as potentially harmful. For example, what I said before, if you are the kid that just sat at home, now you want to become fit. You don't want to be the little fat fuck anymore that just fiddles with its dick and plays video game. How will you become that? First of all, you every morning, every day, you have to decide, I get my ass up and go outside, work out and do something. And that is pretty hard, at the start at least. If you have broken the chains of comfort, I also made a video about that. If you did that, it will become pretty easy, because every day then you have to decide to do the right things, not for how you feel. Do the right things of what you want to be. That means, for example, a lot of guys want to be a man that has self-worth, that is confident. So what do you have to do or get to have this self-confidence? You need a good mindset. How do you do it? You get the mindset by the choices you take in your life. If it is working out, if it's changing your diet, or basically changing up your entire life, breaking with everything you had before and becoming something completely else, what you in the end want to be. For me personally, it was, I want to become a father my children will look up to. So what do I personally look into? What I want a father to have? Strength, courage, a little bit of passion and knowledge. Not knowledge you just gather by reading books, but also by experiences. There is an old saying, I don't know if it's Greek or Arabic, but it's something along the lines, no harbor is good for a man who doesn't know what the winds will bring him. So you have to decide and not look back into your decision and then say, I could have done that and I should have done that. You have to go with what you chose. If you chose, don't be like, I don't feel like it. Do you want the man who doesn't feel like it, or the man who did it when he didn't feel like it? So, guys, this is why I made the server. Also, it's in the top pinned comment where you can find a community that will guide you into becoming what you want to be. It is quite hard, actually, at the beginning to do it alone, but there's also a good thing. If you laid a good foundation and you build a good groundwork, guys, then everything will come into order and it will be easy to build from that. The first steps are the hardest. So with that, I wish you all take those first steps in your journey and don't just sit around. Don't fiddle with your dick, and I wish you all good luck. And with that, see ya.